Hey everyone, welcome to Health Renewed. Today, we're diving into one simple daily habit that can help you restore muscle strength and prevent muscle loss after the age of 60. And you know what? This habit is easy to do, but has the power to change your life in ways many people don't expect. Stick around until the end of the video, because I'll share some extra tips on how to keep this habit going long term, something most people overlook. But it's the key to faster muscle recovery and lowering your risk of falls. Here's the truth. After 60, your muscles start to shrink, a condition called sarcopenia. It makes you weaker, more prone to falling, and can affect your independence in daily life. But the good news, a small movement habit combined with proper nutrition can help you fight back. This habit doesn't require going to the gym or expensive supplements. It's a natural, science-backed approach that helps improve blood flow, stimulates muscles, and enhances nerve-to-muscle coordination. In this video, I'll guide you step by step through this golden habit, explain why it works so well, and show you how to easily make it part of your daily routine to maintain muscle strength, flexibility, and independence for the long run. Whether you're recovering from injury, want to stay healthy as you age, or simply want more energy every day, this is the video you can't miss. Now, let's get started. 1. The harsh reality of muscle loss after 60. As you get older, one of the biggest challenges your body faces is muscle loss, medically known as sarcopenia. This natural process begins as early as your 30s, but speeds up significantly after the age of 60. By the time you reach your 70s, you could lose up to 50% of your muscle mass if no action is taken. Why does this happen? Several factors contribute to this decline: hormonal changes, less physical activity, poor nutrition, and even chronic inflammation. When muscles shrink, it leads to reduced strength, slower movements, and a higher risk of falls, one of the leading causes of injury among seniors. Muscle loss doesn't just affect how you look or move, it affects your independence. Imagine struggling with daily tasks like climbing stairs, carrying groceries, or even getting out of a chair. That's why sarcopenia is often linked to a lower quality of life. But here's the encouraging part. Muscle loss is not a guaranteed outcome, nor is it permanent. Science shows that with the right lifestyle changes, you can rebuild muscle strength and improve your physical function even later in life. A combination of regular physical activity, especially resistance exercises, and proper nutrition, focusing on adequate protein intake and essential vitamins, can dramatically slow down or even reverse muscle decline. Research from organizations like the World Health Organization and studies published in medical journals emphasize the importance of addressing muscle health proactively. Seniors who engage in consistent strength training and eat well tend to have better balance, less pain, and greater energy levels. The message is clear. Sarcopenia is a serious issue, but it can be fought effectively. Starting today, you can take steps to preserve and restore your muscle health, helping you stay independent and active for years to come. 2. The biggest mistake people make: waiting too long. One of the most common mistakes people make when it comes to muscle health is waiting too long to take action. Many seniors think, "I'm too old to start exercising," or "it's too late for me to make a difference." This kind of thinking creates a dangerous cycle. The longer you wait, the more muscle mass you lose, and the harder it becomes to regain strength and mobility. But here's the truth. It's never too late to start. Your body is remarkably adaptable, even in your 70s, 80s, or beyond. However, it's important to begin in the right way. Jumping into intense workouts or complicated routines too quickly can lead to injury and frustration. The best approach is to start small with manageable daily habits that build over time. Consistency is the real key to success. Even gentle activities done regularly can improve muscle strength, balance, and overall health. Experts agree that creating a sustainable routine tailored to your current ability is the most effective way to maintain and rebuild muscle. If you've been inactive or recovering from injury, starting with low-impact movements like chair squats, gentle stretches, or walking can make a big difference. The sooner you begin, the better your chances of maintaining your independence, reducing the risk of falls, and improving your quality of life. Remember, the goal isn't perfection, it's progress. Every small step you take today builds a stronger, healthier tomorrow. 3. The golden habit, a simple daily routine to rebuild muscle strength. After 60. As we age, maintaining muscle strength becomes essential, not just for physical ability, but for independence, confidence, and even mental health. Muscle loss, or sarcopenia, typically accelerates after the age of 60. However, a simple and scientifically supported daily routine can slow or even reverse this trend. This golden habit is a 7-minute daily exercise regimen designed for seniors. It combines low-impact movements with neuromuscular activation and mindful breathing. Let's dive into the exercises and the science behind why they work. Step 1. Gentle movement, just 3 minutes. We're going to start by waking up the body with some low-impact moves. These are perfect for getting your blood flowing and turning on your nervous system. First up, chair squats. You don't need any fancy gym equipment for this, just a sturdy chair is sufficient. Stand in front of it, feet shoulder width apart. Slowly lower yourself like you're going to sit down, tap the chair lightly, and then stand back up by pushing through your heels. Do this for about a minute. Not only does this work your thighs and glutes, but it also builds core strength and balance. And if you're worried about falling, keep your hands on your thighs or use a walker for support. Next, let's loosen those shoulders with shoulder rolls. Sit or stand upright, roll your shoulders forward and up, then back and down in a smooth circular motion. Keep this up for a full minute. This movement helps reduce stiffness and increases circulation around the shoulders. Super helpful if you spend a lot of time sitting. Now for our third move, heel-to-toe raises. Stand up and use a counter or chair for support. Lift your heels and stand on your toes. Hold for 2 seconds, then drop your heels and lift your toes off the ground. This strengthens the muscles around your ankles, which is key for balance and preventing falls. Do this for 1 minute. Step 2. Neuromuscular activation, 2 minutes. This next step is all about waking up that brain-to-muscle connection. Think of it like reconnecting the wires that control your strength. First, hand grip squeezes. Grab a small squishy ball or even a rolled-up sock. Squeeze it as hard as you can for 5 seconds, then release. Do this about 10 to 12 times. Grip strength isn't just about opening jars, it's linked to your overall health and longevity. Then, pick up a pair of light dumbbells or water bottles for light arm raises. Raise your arms to shoulder height, pause, then lower them slowly. Do this for 1 minute. This targets your biceps and shoulders, key muscles for lifting, carrying, and pushing. Last move for this step, backward walking. I know it sounds a little strange, but trust me, it works. Walk slowly backward down a hallway or a safe space in your home. This activates different muscle fibers, especially in the glutes and hamstrings. Just be careful, use a wall or railing for support if needed. Step 3. Deep breathing and visualization, 2 minutes. Now we cool down and focus. Sit down, relax, and put one hand on your chest and one on your belly. Take a deep breath in through your nose, letting your belly rise. Then exhale slowly through your mouth. Do this for 2 full minutes. This kind of breathing calms your nervous system, lowers stress hormones like cortisol, and promotes recovery. While you're doing this, imagine your muscles healing and growing stronger. Visualize yourself walking more confidently, feeling energized, and moving freely. So, why does this golden habit work? You're combining strength balance, brain-to-muscle communication, and stress reduction. All the things that science says help maintain muscle as we age. Studies have shown that routines like this can increase muscle size by 20 to 30% in just a few months. You'll also improve your balance, boost energy, and reduce your risk of falling. And guess what? It's only 7 minutes. You can do this while your coffee brews or before breakfast. It's short enough to stick with, but powerful enough to change your body and life. Here's how to make it a real habit. Tie it to something you already do every day, like brushing your teeth or watching the news. Track your progress on a calendar. It's motivating to see those check marks pile up. Or better yet, invite a friend or loved one to do it with you. Accountability makes all the difference. So give this golden habit a try. It's not just about staying active, it's about building strength and freedom for the years to come. 4. How to make this habit stick. For life, all right. Now that you know what to do every day to rebuild your muscle strength after 60, here comes the most important part. How do you stick with it? Because let's face it, starting is easy, but staying consistent, that's where most people struggle. So let's talk about a few simple strategies that will help make this 7-minute habit something you look forward to, and not just for a week or two, but for the rest of your life. First, you need to pair this routine with something you already do every single day. Think of a moment that's already part of your schedule, like brushing your teeth, making your morning coffee, or even watching the news. That's called habit stacking. For example, you might say, right after I brush my teeth, I do my 7-minute strength routine. This way, the new habit rides the wave of the old one. It feels automatic. Second, use visual reminders. Keep a sticky note on your bathroom mirror or bio. Write something like 7 minutes for my future self, or strong legs, strong life. Or better yet, leave your workout shoes or dumbbells somewhere visible, like near your chair or by your TV. It's a gentle nudge from yesterday you to today you. Hey, don't forget your muscles today. Third, track your progress. Get a calendar and put a big check mark every time you complete the routine. It's simple, but surprisingly powerful. After a few days, you won't want to break the streak. You'll start to feel proud of yourself, and that little moment of pride, that builds momentum. Next, don't do it alone. If possible, invite a friend, a spouse, or even your grandchild to join you. Having someone to check in with makes you way more likely to stick with it. Even if they live far away, you can both text each other when you're done. It's a tiny thing, but it creates accountability, and accountability creates consistency. Another tip, keep it flexible. Some days you might feel tired, and that's okay. You don't have to be perfect. If you can't do all the moves, just do half. Or if you're low on energy, do the breathing part only. What matters most is not how intense the routine is, it's that you show up every day. Even 5 minutes counts, even 2 minutes count. And here's the key mindset shift. Don't wait for motivation. Motivation comes and goes. What you need is a routine that lives in your schedule, not in your emotions. Make it a non-negotiable. Just like brushing your teeth or taking your vitamins, you don't skip those just because you don't feel motivated, right? And finally, celebrate your wins, no matter how small. Maybe you feel less stiff after a week. Maybe you're sleeping better. Maybe you can get up from your chair a little faster. That's real progress. Let yourself feel good about it. Talk about it. Write it down. The more you acknowledge your progress, the more likely you'll keep going. Remember, this routine isn't just about stronger legs. It's about staying independent, mobile, and confident as you age. It's about having the freedom to walk without fear, to play with your grandkids, to garden, travel, and live on your terms. So go ahead, choose a time, set a reminder, and let this golden habit become part of your daily rhythm. Because when it's easy to do and it fits your life, you'll never want to stop. 5. Supercharge your recovery with 3 must-have nutrients. Okay, let's get real for a second. You could be doing the best workouts in the world, but if your nutrition's off, your muscles won't grow, they won't recover, and honestly, you'll just feel stuck. Especially after 60, your body doesn't bounce back like it used to. So here's what you need to know. 3 simple nutrients can seriously change the game. First up, protein, and not just any protein, but protein at the right time. Right after you work out, your muscles are yelling, "Feed me." That's the moment when they're ready to rebuild, to get stronger. So, what do? Give them 20 to 30 grams of protein within 30 minutes after your session. That's your sweet spot. A quick shake, 2 boiled eggs, or even a bowl of Greek yogurt, done. Just make sure you don't wait hours. That little window right after exercise, it's magic. Next, creatine monohydrate. Now don't let the name throw you off. This isn't just for bodybuilders. In fact, for folks over 60, creatine is a total powerhouse. Just 3 grams a day can help you build strength, improve muscle recovery, and even give your brain a boost. Yeah, muscles and memory. Win-win. I'd say take it with your post-workout meal or shake it, blends right in, and your body absorbs it better. And third, magnesium plus vitamins D3 and K2. These 3. Think of them as your recovery dream team. Magnesium helps your muscles relax and improves your sleep, which is when your body does the most healing. Vitamin D3 supports your bones and immune system, while K2 makes sure that calcium goes to your bones, not your arteries. That combo fights inflammation and speeds up how fast your muscles bounce back. Want an easy routine? Try this in the morning. A couple of boiled eggs, a bowl of oatmeal with almond milk, a spoonful of almond butter, a glass of coconut water, plus your D3K2 supplement. Boom! Energy, recovery, and strength. All in one breakfast. So remember, protein builds, creatine energizes, vitamins and minerals repair. Get those in daily, and you're not just recovering faster, you're getting stronger with every single day. Alright, so there you have it. A simple daily habit that can make a difference in rebuilding your muscle strength after 60. Remember, it's not about pushing yourself to the limit every day, but about consistent, manageable steps that add up over time. By incorporating these gentle exercises and focusing on the right nutrition, especially protein, creatine, and essential vitamins, you're giving your body exactly what it needs to fight back against muscle loss and keep you moving strong and independent. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. That way, you won't miss any of our upcoming videos packed with tips and science-backed advice to support your health journey as you age. Also, check out the playlist linked below. It's filled with my top videos on muscle health, nutrition, and simple lifestyle changes that work for people over 60. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay strong, stay healthy, take care, and stay strong.